Hi, my name is Marco and I am SKY POS software representative. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video presentation. This time I will tell you more about SKY mobile application. SKY POS software is based on cloud technology which gives our users many benefits such as manage data from anywhere, anytime, real-time monitoring on mobile devices, easier real-time staff management, data security and safety. Sky mobile application is intended for managers and owners who wants to monitor their business via mobile phone in real time. It can be installed on unlimited number of phones, which means it comes free with the Sky POS application and support running on Windows, iOS and Android platforms. The Sky mobile application allows you to work with multiple business units on the same account. Sky mobile application is used for financial overview of financial state for each waiter and payment methods, graphic reports, checks, bills, archive overview, review of cancelled invoices, review of invoices with assigned discount, overview of open tables, inventory review, review of employee sign in and out.
Business overview. Real-time overview of business can be followed by mobile application. Overview is presented in table and graphic reports. You can also see overview in the previous year of the current year. Check overview. Review of the checks in real time and history can be followed by mobile application. Click on the Account Archive option. You can see all bills on the selected day. Click on Cancelled option. You can see all cancelled bills on selected day. Click on Discount option. You can see all discount bills on selected day. Open Tables Overview. You can follow Open Tables through the mobile application. Overview of open tables show all graphic and quick tables that are not charged. Click on the magnifier option. You can see the list of items saved on the selected table. Work with multiple business units. You can follow the work from several business units from same account in mobile application. By clicking the name of the business units, you can see and select desired business unit. Inventory overview. You can follow the review of current stocks by mobile application in real time. Click on the option to show only minimum stocks. You can see all items which are currently below the value of the defined minimum stock. Employee working hour overview. You can follow the overview of employee login and log out through the mobile application.
In addition to the mentioned applications, the Sky POS team provides unlimited 24-hour support, which is included in the license price. You can try Sky POS software completely free for a trial period of 50 days with support included. If you have any questions, Sky POS team is at your disposal.